Hello and welcome back to my channel Qubit Educational Services. In this video we are going to solve the 38th question from the ICER Aptitude Test Mock Paper 2. This question is based on lines in 3 dimensions. The question says that the length of the shortest path in space between the z-axis and the line given by the equations z equal to 0 and y equal to 1 is 1, 2, root 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now we first note that in 3 dimensions, okay, whenever two planes intersect, their intersection is a line. Okay, now what is z equal to 0? Z equal to 0 is nothing but our xy plane. Okay, and therefore when we consider the intersection of z equal to 0 and the plane y equal to 1, in 2 dimensions it becomes the line y equal to 1. Okay, that means this. So the intersection of the planes z equal to 0 and y equal to 1, it is a line in the xy plane whose equation is also y equal to 1. Okay, see, now in 2 dimensions we consider that y equal to 1 is a horizontal line. Okay, but when we go to 3 dimensions, it becomes a plane. And in this 2-dimensional figure, the z-axis, okay, is represented by a single point, that is the origin, because the z-axis is now perpendicular to plane of your screen. Okay, it is perpendicular to the plane. All right, now the problem is asking us to determine the length of the shortest path between the z-axis and the line, which means the length of the shortest path between this line and the origin. Okay, now clearly this is going to be the distance one. Okay, the least distance between the point origin and the line y equal to 1 is 1, and hence the correct option is not root 2 but 1. Okay, now let us see how things look in 3 dimensions. Alright, so this is our 3D calculator. The red line is the x-axis, the green line is the y-axis, and the blue line is the z-axis. Okay, and the arrows indicate the positive directions. First, let me plot the xy plane z equal to 0, which you can see here in the red color. And now I'm going to plot the plane y equal to 1, which will be parallel to the z-axis plane. Okay, and as you can see, it is to the right of the y-axis, x-axis obviously, and it passes through the point 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 on the y-axis. Okay, all right, now let us find the intersection between the green plane and the red plane, which happens to be this line parallel to x-axis. Okay, in the x plane. Okay, as you can see, it is this blue line. Okay, and therefore the distance between the skew lines, that is the z-axis, the vertical blue line, and this line is clearly 1 unit. Okay, so this is our z-axis, this blue line, and the distance between them, the shortest distance, as the software is telling us, the shortest distance between these two lines is equal to 1 unit, which confirms our answer. Okay, so this was a very simple question which requires a bit of imagination, but nonetheless we have solved it. Okay, so that was 38th question. In the next video we will see question number 39.